Yo, you remember?
I was short on that, step up with my sister.
But you know, next thank you.
Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? At this time, Copperhead Track is experiencing a temporary delay. We apologize for inconvenience and this is a business.
GoPro, stop recording.
Oh shit. Holy shit. Motherfucker.
I bought the phone.
Right, me too. Shit.
Got my two buddies, Cam Jackson and Spike Reed.
What up, though? As you can see, I'm tired, but right now we are in North Carolina, and hold that thought. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video.
You were right, G.
Thank you.
Thank
you. Yes.
That solved all 20 years of brotherhood. That's it.
It really does.
In that one moment.
You were right.
Fuck.
The magic words.
Every time, dog. We had Carowinds, bro. Okay? That's what's happening right now.
You can turn it off.
No, keep playing, because this is the bullshit I'm talking about, man. We get free parking, too, right?
Don't we get free parking?
Yeah. Because you have the... Wait, put it on me now. Put the camera on us.
Yeah.
Because Valdez Brown has the platinum pass.
Okay, let me get that shit out. You see, that's footage you can only get on my channel. You can't get that nowhere else.
Wait, don't touch it.
North Carolina! North Carolina! North Carolina! North Carolina! Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Let's do it.
Gonna get by the sign and do it.
This is the border of North Carolina and South Carolina. That's hard. Are you about to scream?
No.
Stop recording. And it doesn't stop recording. And these people are still taking pictures. Alright, so I'm about to get off the record for a minute. Alright, this shit is live right now. We actually drove, Valdez Brown drove 10 hours, okay? Valley drove 10 fucking hours to be here. Jig is on board. And Jig loves to travel. This is the world fucking traveler right here.
Why don't you try something new in your life?
New shit.
Why don't you try something new in your life?
New shit.
Why don't you try something new in your life?
New shit. My brother Jig does. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna probably edit this part out because I'm gonna keep it very uncensored. But yeah, I travel for things other than amusement parks, but that's how I find myself out here.
What's that?
It's entertainment.
Oh, okay.
Entertainment is the closest thing I can say.
Okay.
One out of 3-point challenge, 40.
GoPro, stop recording.